I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on the Discover app, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section. This will show you a list of all recent charges made to your account. Step 3. Select the charge to dispute. Find a specific charge you want to dispute and tap on it. This will open up more details about the transaction. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the dispute button on the transaction details page and select it. Follow the prompts to provide information about why you are disputing the charge. Step 5. Review and submit. After filling out the necessary information, review your dispute details and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message once it is processed. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a charge that you actually authorized, it can complicate things. Always double-check the transaction details before submitting your dispute. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues you have.